how to recover lost files from SanDisk SDHC card. So if you want to recover the lost files, then the solution is iMyFone DBAC. It's a hard drive recovery expert and is a fantastic data recovery tool to recover your lost data from an SDHC card without any hassle. The first step is you need to install this iMyFone DBAC. Go with try it for free, which will be right here. Download the software on your computer and install it. You only need a few seconds to download and install the software. Now the second step is insert your SDHC card on your PC and open DBAC hard drive recovery expert. And you will see SDHC card on the main screen. You need to just simply go and click on it. Once you click on that, you'll get this kind of interface. You need to just simply click on the scan. It will scan your files, all of your files. It will have a quick scan first and then it will take a deep scan. You can also stop it whenever you already found your files. Then the next step is after scanning, you can see the files on the left side of your screen. Just simply go and select any file that you're comfortable with or any file that you would like to recover. Once you've selected your file, click on yes and select the files to recover. Click on recover, which will be in the bottom. Go and select the location. That's how you can recover your lost files from SanDisk SDHC card. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.